welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, this is the most exciting video that I'm ever gonna do because I have more money than usual. I don't know exactly how much because you know, every time I have extra money I just put it to the side, and then whenever I feel like it's time for me to make a video, because I try to make it every 3 days or so, I'm like, okay, let's get it going. But this one, look, this is the biggest. By the way guys, I know you guys not asked me or anything like that, but this is a train, a Bath and Body Works Kindle train holder. Oh, he's beautiful. I don't think you guys even saw it last time, or you didn't pay attention to it. It needs love. No, but oh my Lanta, I am so excited for today's video. If you're new here, hey, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, okay? Click that notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video. I'm excited because today, baby, we're gonna do both of the biggest challenge because I'm ready to put money towards my debt, okay? All right, guys, so let's count how much I have. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, so 150. Don't mind me, everyone counts different, okay? 150, 60, 75, oh my gosh, 175, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Oh my gosh, $194. I'm like choking. I don't know why. Maybe because I was eating before this, but oh my gosh, guys, this candle right here, I have to brag about it. It smells so delicious. It is Twisted Peppermint from Bath and Body Works. I actually got it like a year ago or two, if I'm not mistaken. I know I have a collection, not really, but I do collect some candles from Bath and Body Works when it goes on sale. Like I buy it like semi-annual sale, and you know, I use it in like a year or two because I don't like to pay the full price, okay? All right, but anyways, let's enough rambling, and let's just get started with this, shall we? Oh my Lanta. Okay guys, here it is. Oh, it's here. We have 3 left, so that'll be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, $72 to complete this, if I'm not mistaken. $72. Okay. Oh baby, yes, $72, right? 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. I did say that, right? I hope so. Oh, this makes me so happy. I'm sorry, but this right here makes me happy. You hear me? Happy, 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 happy. Okay, here we go. Let's count. So it should save us $351. Okay, let's see. All right, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, that's 300 right there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Yes. Oh, you know I'm going to the bank as soon as possible when Alex is able to take me, because you guys know I don't have a car. We're gonna get an estimate hopefully today, if not Tuesday, tomorrow, you know, and we will see. But anyways, oh my gosh, okay, that one's out, and here's another one. I have another one. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again because the bigger the number, the better it is for me to save, right? Okay, there we go. All right, anyways, let's go ahead, move on. Yes, that makes me so happy, you guys. You don't even know. Oh my gosh, it's gonna help out a lot in my debt, because yeah, I have like 7 grand in debt. And this one, if you didn't watch the video, you should. Last video. All right, let's see this one. Oh my goodness, here we go. All right guys, this one right here is 30. I believe it's 30. Let's see, is it 30? 35. It's actually 35. Oh my gosh, my camera, what is it doing? Okay, $35. Come on, man. Focus. Why are you not focusing? Hold on, guys. Can y'all see that? Why? What are you doing to me? All right, 35. You'll see that? 35. Okay. We do have 35. Okay. Last one. Here we go. Oh my goodness. This gives me anxiety. Sorry guys, but wow. Okay. 28. So 25, 26, 27, 28 on this one, and 35, 20, 30, and 35. Oh my goodness. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Like, literally. Okay. I'm rich. I wanna be rich. Din, 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 din. I want a house, I want a car. Just kidding, I have everything already. Just kidding, it's a song if you didn't know, right? Okay, anyways. Let's see, 350, 100, 50, 60, 70, 80. Well, hold on. 200, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Call me crazy, but this makes me happy. Okay? We all express our emotion differently, so don't judge. Yes! Oh my God, that feels good, okay? That feels good. It feels good. All right, so that one, gone. Bye-bye. It was so cute. Such a cute little envelope from Coco Chic. Adorable. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's put that money back actually here before I lose it, right? All right, let's see. I'm gonna tell Alex to take me to the bank. Not today. Tomorrow I might go, maybe tomorrow I go, I don't know, but I'm excited. Okay, oh my gosh. All right, next. Oh, baby, I'm happy. Oh, by the way, I'm adding this new challenge here from Easy Budget. I love her challenges. They're so cute. I'm gonna add it here because, you know, I haven't had this here. I haven't added anything there, okay? All right, next. Here is a mystery one. This one is a mystery right here. No, not this one. This one. This one's a mystery, and I want to see what it is, okay? Let's see. All right, let's do a ghost. All right, this ghost right here is for $6. Okay, I know I have $6. So let's scratch more. Let's do it. Why not? All right, here we go. 6. This one, oh shit. Okay, just kidding. You fucked me up on this one. I'm sorry. If you don't like bad words, I'm sorry. I try my best not to, but sometimes I just get a little bit, you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. All right, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's $30 right there. $30. I know I have $30. So 20. 20, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 30. There you go. Ooh, okay. Hey. Let's do something. Why not, shall we? All right. Let me know what's your goal for next year. Let me know what is your goal. Like, truly, let me know what's your goal for next year. Let me know. You might enter into a surprise. Let me know. I'm gonna be generous. Let me know what's your goal for next year. Like, truly mean it, for real. Like, put your heart into it. Let me know what's your goal for next year. My goal for next year is to extremely get out of debt. Like, completely. Like, bye. No more debt. Like, literally. Okay, that's my goal. All right, should we? No, we should not. This one will save us $50. Let's see. I'm trying to do as much as I can. Okay, I know I have 7. Should I do the other one? I feel like the other one's like $20 some. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 6, 7. Let me get out 7 here. If I have 7, right? 5, 6, 7. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, I promise you I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. By the way, my kids are upstairs. If you hear them, they're upstairs. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. I'm telling you guys, I was not expecting that. Okay? All right. Awesome sauce. Okay, what should we do? We don't have that much left. Oh my gosh, you guys, trust me, I'm so excited. I hope camera is good. I don't know if camera is not good, but I hope camera is good. What should we do? What shall we do? Do we have anything else scratch off? I don't think we do. Ooh, no we don't. Yes. Ooh, should we do this one? Let's do this one. All right, here we go. Taylor. Let's see, focus. I have $2. I know I do. Okay, that's $2. All right. $2. Y'all see that? Okay. Now let's do this one. Oh, I have $4. Oh, I have $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, guys, I actually like this thumbnail. I like this thumbnail right here. I might do a thumbnail. Hold on. Huh? Thumbnail? Yes, bitch. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I get it. I'm sorry. I get a little bit carried away. Okay. 9. Do I have 9? Oh my gosh. Do I have 9? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, I do. Okay. All right. Awesome. Yes. Okay, look at that. I only have 1 left. Yes. Yes. Okay. Awesome. Okay. I only have 1 left. $1 left. 1 left. I don't know what to do with that dollar. I don't want to have an IOU. Should I? Okay. Whatever. Screw it. Why not? Oh, $4. $4. So that means I have an IOU of $3. IOU of $3. That's okay. Okay, we're gonna complete it next time we cashed off our challenge. That's exciting. I don't know how much it will save me, but let's actually count. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So it would have been $47, right? We have an IOU of $3. Yes, that's exciting. Oh my gosh. Next time, we're going to complete this challenge. Oh my goodness. That was good. That was fun. Okay, that was so interesting. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with my camera, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, well, I hope you liked that fun, quick video. Pretty crazy. Super weird, huh? And yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. I forgot. Get this one out. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so pumped for this. And oh my gosh, yes. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a little bit of a different type of video. I'll be honest with you, I was so excited. And yeah, I see you guys on the next one. Bye, love you.